Hey guys, what's happening? How to uncover the secrets to quick password recovery. One of the ways that you can do that, you can just go ahead and click the passwords if you're using App Store or if you use an iPhone device, right? And basically, you're gonna be able to see all of your saved passwords from here, and you're gonna be able to access the password. Let's say, for example, let's say. Okay, let's say Cam Scanner, right? You're gonna be able right here to see hide my email, and under you're gonna be able to see passwords. Let me go in Canva, for example, not Canva, chat, not there. Let's say not here also. Okay, Discord. Okay, Discord is better. You can see the username, email, whatever that might be, and you're gonna be able to see that password for that platform, right? Next, you're gonna use the forgot password. So if you're trying to access, let's say, Discord, right? You're trying to access Discord. You can go ahead and click open Discord, or let me use Facebook for that matter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click the three bars, log out. Let me log out, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and okay. Let me click the three bars, log out. Okay, let me see. Yeah, now when I try to log in using another account or something like that, you're gonna just go ahead and click forgot password, right? And most sites offer an email or phone reset option, okay? And try variations. Make sure to test common passwords you've used before with slight changes. You can just go ahead and type, 444 627 A, capital A, small, or if you're a kind of guy or woman who uses like variations of like coding and stuff like that, you can just go ahead and test it out and try to log in with your account. Okay, you can use also the recovery email or phone. As we mentioned before, you can just go ahead and use the forgot password, right? Or on some platforms they offer security questions, right? Answer preset questions if available, right? That's in case of if you want to secure your account and someone else has the access to your password. Okay, and make sure to use password recovery tools, softwares like you can use PassFab, PassFab, or Last Pass. Okay, those apps can help you to use password helps you recovering your own password. Pro tip: always use a password manager to prevent future lockout. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.